This is the 1080p camcorder unboxing. Including the package USB cable, user manual, USB adapter, some cables, battery, camera pouch, and the camcorder. This is the lens, it's 1080p, 24 megapixel. This is the flash, so it provides the light. Here we have the SD card slot. It's a max of 32 gigabytes. Tripod slot connects to tripod. Battery slot has an 800 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. Start button, start and stop video. Power and charge light, light indicator. TFT screen, view recordings and selection screen. Here we have the power button, turn device on off. The enter, OK to selection option. Left, right, down, up, navigation menu. Playback, video recorded videos. Menu, select through the menu options. And we have connectors, USB, mic, etc. Here we have the mode selector, camera, photo, etc. Photo, it's a photo button. Zoom in and out. Hot shoe adapter, install light, mic, etc. Here I'm going to do the battery install. So you just insert it and press up. Here I'm just doing the SD card install. Make sure the gold's up. Press in. Here I'm just going to quickly go through the different settings. Here I'm going to go through different mode selections. So you just press the mode button. You have video right there. Switches to camera, recording, and video. Here I'm doing a video test outside. You can tell the video looks okay. Color doesn't look bad. Now I'm doing a zoom in test. You can tell it's extremely grainy and it's choppy the way it zooms in and out. It's not smooth. And last, we're doing a stabilization test. As you can tell, it's not good stabilizing. Very choppy. Also, the video is grainy. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.